Hello. Now I'm going to make a video on blogs, how as a student. So we can see the page of week 3 and we shall try to explore the icons which we can see on the left. So on the upper we can see their title, the name of the course Moodle for Teachers. Then the icon Moodle for Teachers Evolve 21. So if we click on it, so we shall see the same page where overview of the course. Then the next icon is participants. Let's click on it and we can see also the page of participants and their first names, surnames, and so if we scroll down, so we can see the first page of it, and so I can see my name, and also we can just use the first letter if we want to find any name or first letter of the surname. So then badges, which is really interesting for the student when you are involved in the course. So some columns, the badge itself, image, the name, week 5 for example, description, and the criteria. So these are the criteria which we can look through and just understand whether we did fulfill the task or not. So right now we are on week 3 and that is what should we do. Yeah, these are the tasks. So and issued to me, the last column. So next icon is competencies. If we click, we can see that there are no competencies. Grades, which is the next icon and the most interesting for the student. So also some columns, grade item, recording, profile, and so on. So and at the end we can see how many points can we take and the contribution to the course total and so on. But right now I don't see any of them. And then overview, the next icon, but we have already seen it. Then weekly badges. Let's click on it. Weekly badges. And then the same create video tutorial, and so I guess week 1 again their front page of the task of different weeks. Yeah, week 1, then will be week 2, week 3, and so on, and certificate of participation at the end. Yes, how to access your the certificate. And the last one is so we have the icon of site home, also the courses which you attend, and reporting and analytics, which is yes, which is interesting, and we can explore the percentages of real-time uses and so on, yeah, course progress and so on. At the end it will be very interesting to my mind. Okay, so thank you for attention.